Hi, it's Dr. Afzal, longevity specialist. I want to share with you something that I found very, very interesting and actually quite exciting for the longevity space. It's a new class of medication called anti-necrotic agents. Now, you need to understand contextually that there are no medications which have been licensed from the MHRA, FDA, etc. for the treatment of aging. However, if this works, then what that essentially means is that this shift in the longevity space could occur where we move away from treatment of single diseases and essentially target the upstream mechanisms of aging, such as in this case, dysfunctional cell death pathways. Now, the most interesting of all these companies in this space is one out of Cambridge called Linkgevity. They have a drug called Link-001, which is actually two medications combined repurposed. So hopefully they've got plenty of clinical data to get that process going and to eventually get to human models. But importantly, in organoid models, so essentially tiny lab-grown kidneys, it prevented necrosis, which is essentially cell death, for more than 11 days when you usually see widespread cell death within 24 to 48 hours. So if this is something that translates clinically, this is absolutely going to be first in class, and we can use it to do things like protect organs, extend the life of transplant tissues, but importantly, we could slow potentially the accumulation of damage that underlies many age-related diseases. Really interesting space, really interesting time, and one I'm going to be keeping an eye on.